weapon is illegal in 19 U.S. states. In front of all these witnesses. Yes. Okay, can I ask you, sir? Okay. And I have a letter, and I've already contacted Justice John G. Roberts Jr., letting him know that I'm coming today to bring this and a letter that I want to go in, and I'd like to go through this.
Okay, well, it's not going to happen.
Why not?
It's not going to happen.
Why couldn't I go
That's the way it is.
Well, okay, can I go in with a letter?
You want to go in the building, you're not bringing that in.
You like
You got
that?
the ID on you?
Yes, I do.
Can I see it?
But do you understand that that's the difference that I'm trying to ask you? But I live in Hawaii.
Why?
Yeah.
You don't care.
I'm here to find out if Justice Roberts would make this illegal for using schoolchildren.
Okay.
So that's my question.
Social? You don't have to get into that. Just ask me.
I'd rather not. But you can copy my information.
Okay. If you want to give me a social, it would make things a lot easier. It's just easier for us to find out who you are. You want to give me the social or no?
I'd rather not.
Okay.
If I don't have to.
All right.
And do you
I don't have
Can I
one
drop
right now.
Yeah, I just wanted to know if I can go in the building with this if it is a teacher. That's what I thought.
Well, I'm not totally sure.
Okay.
Quite honest with you.
Okay.
All right. How you doing?
Good, good. How are you doing?
Okay.
Good. I have been asking you gentlemen a couple of questions. Number one, this is called a teacher term.
A what?
A teacher term. See, teachers are good.
Yeah.
And so I'm asking them, this is called a teacher term by the U.S. Government of Education, and I want to know, may I walk through this building with why not? May I ask you why not, sir?
I'm the chief of police.
Chief of police.
Right. We consider that something that's threatening. You're not allowed. What is your question? What's
You
your
said
second
it's a
question?
weapon. Can't come into this.
You can mail that, yes.
Okay, all right. That's all.
So it will reach the justice, it won't be confiscated?
I can't guarantee that now.
Why wouldn't you be able to guarantee that?
Because it's got to be screened, that's why.
And how would it fail the screening? How would it be deemed to fail the screening? Because
if it's deemed a threat, it's not going to reach him.
but when
I don't know what her letter said.
are you aware that even though you might deem it a threat, that school children are left alone with somebody using this on them?
Do you have any more questions?
Currently?
No, one of them I think took my license, this gentleman.
All right. Did you about it?
Sorry? What was that, sir?
So you can have your license
Oh,
back.
thank you.
Done with it.
All right, have a good day.
All right.
Thanks, gentlemen.
Do that, we'll play on the thing.
All right.
Have a good day. Thank you. This is a threatening weapon. That's what they just said to me. This is a threatening weapon. It's a threatening weapon, but it's used in 19 U.S. states.
That's what they beat kids in 19 states. They beat them so badly, they get bruised, listed, everything. You kids are in high school? They beat kids your age with that
Are you all from
in 19 states. I didn't even know about it. I'm much older than you. I just found out. This lady's been trying to do 6 years she's been fighting about to try to get this law passed. Well, the hitting stops here,
You gotta remember that.
and then follow up to all the links and spread it to your friends. Hello, ma'am. Hi.
Yeah, hi.
I'm a teacher too, Miss McGee.
Okay, teach this issue that in 19 states it's still legal. I've gone on the internet and I've seen the bruises on some of the rear ends of these kids. Minority
And special ed kids with autism who cannot even talk. She can tell you, this young lady can tell you why it was in Pennsylvania in 2006.
You hit girls on the butt with that, and boys also. Many times, not just once. This is no joke.
Our website is thestopshere.com. In the left column, if you scroll down our YouTube, our Facebook, our Twitter, our radio shows,
Please scroll enough. They get beat. You know what that does to a child? They get frightened. You can't win in those kind of things.
this happens every 20 seconds in the USA. Every 20 seconds. And every 4 minutes to the point of minute. And this is legal in 19 states. Even girls your age and beautiful as you girls are, they could tell you to bend over, and it's a man sometimes. Let alone a woman. You don't want a woman striking you.
And I know they've tried to use the 8th Amendment on unusual punishment.
Yes.
And
They ignore it. You know why? Can I say one more thing for these girls to know, and then that's it? Professor of law Noam Chomsky wrote a book called The Umbrella of Powers. On page 52, it says that corporal punishment is deemed cruel and unusual punishment except for school children. And that's why I can't go in that building with that paddle, because this is not a school. We can beat kids, but we can't go in there and show the judge, why are you allowing this in American schools to beat little ones?
Thank you.
I hear you on my website, thehittingstuffshere.com. Thehittingstuffshere.com. It has to stop. Thank you. Thank you. God bless you.
Can you imagine being hit with a stick that's almost 3/4 of an inch thick, solid wood, about 5 inches wide, and about almost 2 feet, being hit on your buttocks with this? Can you imagine that? That's what he did to this 18-year-old girl. He struck her buttocks, legs, and her hip with a 4-foot-long piece of wood. She momentarily broke her hand free and raised it to shield her body from the blows. He struck her hand with his bat, with that 4-foot-long stick, causing her to cry out that he broke her hand. His helpers then pulled her feet up, raising her buttocks off the floor. He continued to beat her. She was crying the entire time. She was humiliated. She was in great pain. When it was over, her buttocks was bleeding. A young woman being made to bleed on her buttocks. Her hand was broken. Painful. She couldn't use it. Her face, she was crying. She was full of tears. What if that happened to your daughter, your cousin, your relative, anybody, your grandchild? He then ordered her, this woman, there's a case, the case is recorded. It's from a school in Texas. She told her to resume, go back to her studies in school, this classroom. After she couldn't even sit down. How could she sit down? He almost killed her. If he would have hit her in the head, he would have killed her. This sounds like a nightmare. Not a scene from a Texas public high school principal's office. Can you imagine that? Think about it. See it, picture it. One would expect a federal judge to consider diligently Jessica's claims that a brutal beating violated the law of the Constitution. He dismissed the case on June 23, 2008. The United States Supreme Court once again looked the other way.